It is early May 2023 at Gilfach Nature Reserve, and the summer migrants have arrived. In the woodland there are pied flycatchers looking for food, the black and white males and the brown and white females. The old farmyard is now home to a pair of Redstarts. This is the brightly coloured male. The female redstart has more discreet plumage. In early June, pied flycatchers must have young at nest box 3, as they are busy taking in food and removing the fecal sacs. Swallows are busy hunting for insects over the flowery grassland above the farm buildings and around the farmyard. One pair of swallows has a nest in the roof of the old byre, which is now the visitor centre. The redstarts seem to have a nest under the eaves. It is now early July, and the redstarts are seen again around the fringes of the farmyard. At the edge of the woodland, a spotted flycatcher hunts for insects. In May 2024, a male pied flycatcher announces his presence. And in June 2024, I saw a wood warbler. I heard the characteristic song and after a while managed to spot the bird.